another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the codes and the little how to level up your pets and get them to be pretty big. Okay, first of all, if you want to get some cool pets, just honestly go through and just empty it. You can get free pets out of that too. You just gotta collect these little rainbows, and it's easy. Like, look at, you can get almost 3 million, yeah, after that. And here's some first, before we begin, I got some codes. Here you go, guys. July 4th. And then, that will give you some stuff. That will give you, extra luck. I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then do, poach eggs. Something like that. Well, close enough. Christmas boost. Christmas boost. That gives you like an extra shiny chance, I'm pretty sure. Coins. I don't think that's one. Extra. Free coins. I'm pretty sure. Okay, that gives you like 150 coins. Oh, next one. Oh, wait. I'm pretty sure. I don't know though. Oh, whoops, spelled it wrong. I think that's it. Well, I spelled it wrong, guys. I don't feel like looking it up and all that stuff. It's galactic, I'm pretty sure. Galactic, I don't know. Honestly, okay. Next thing is we'll zoom out. So first, how to make your pets big. First, you have to complete all these islands. Just jump on these little tiny clouds and just it's easy. And then next, this is how you do it. First, okay, which one do you want me to level up? Let's see, which one is? Maybe Buggy. It kind of has the less. So you gotta unequipped. Okay. That's just grab your Buggy. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay, go here. Crap. None of those are none of my friends. Because I'm not coming outside. I look ugly as crap. Wait, what's crap? Whoops. Please don't be me. Please don't be me. Because I'm doing a video. Okay. First, collect this. Okay, sorry guys. See, that's basically how you do it. That's like the fastest way, because when you have all your pets, then they're gonna like only give you half of the XP because your other pets need it. Okay, I think that's good enough for that. So now you can just bring it back. Oh, wait, what? Oh. So now you can just equip all your stuff again. Pretty sure that's all of my pets, yeah. Okay. What else? I will show you some cool little. Okay, so go here, guys. And let's see. Wait, one of these. Okay, so this is virus right here. These are some cool little. You can easily get these. If you have like extra luck and stuff. Just keep doing this at least for a few minutes. Why is it not getting me epics? I paid for epics. kind of inappropriate for YouTube, but I hope I don't get straight. Hurry up. Okay, well, I'm gonna just tell you. Okay, this is virus. What else are really cool? I'll try this. Is this the highest one? Yeah. Pretty lit. Okay. Fortunately, it's not giving me anything good for some reason. Normally I get legendaries after legendaries, but no. But pass. Have I collected my rewards today? No. So, open 500 eggs. I think I did that. Hatch 100 legendaries. Only 5. Hatch legendaries. I already hatched 5. I am confused. Okay, so you already... I already have 2,000 eggs, I believe. Yeah, I got this. Okay, well, hope you guys like this video. It's awesome, because you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Hope you guys have the best day, honestly. Even though you're trapped inside because of this stupid virus. Teddy bear! What's his name? I can't even see, but I'm guessing it starts with E. Oh my god. I need that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. I'll try trading again. No, I'll give him free stuff. You want free stuff? Okay, I'll give you free stuff. You can have this water crab. You can have these. These are like terrible. You can have these. I don't want your stupid lucky mouse. Just take some balloons. I don't need those crap. Okay, free. Ouch. Take free, bro. Oh my. Okay. Oh, nice. No, you want the best ones. Okay, but there you go. Free. Take it. I have literally marks on my hands because I didn't turn this off. Okay. Teddy bear. I want that. I just want this little animal. I don't even know what his name is, so I can't just... Yeah, okay, that's a little better. Okay, carrot, whatever crap that is. Heck yeah. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Yeah, you got me. You got me. I'm just clicking. Oh my god. I can definitely click him. Please click him. No! Okay, well, guys, bye. See you later. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please subscribe.